Here's another genius quick tip. If you have a John Deere P Series and you're getting a short error, and I'll put that error up on the screen now. If you're getting that error, it's not what you think. It's not a short. It's the solenoid in your attachment. I have two solenoids here. They both come from Hydroforce. One has 8 ohms resistance. The other one has about 4 ohms resistance. It shows up as a short on the John Deere and it shuts the hydraulics off and sends you an error. This is not a problem with the attachment or the wiring. This is a problem with John Deere because they're now putting a sense on the output of their 14 pin, and that sense is constantly looking for current. And if it sees any kind of a current on there, when you go to push this, it's measuring the resistance, and it checks that resistance and it will give you an alarm, shut off your hydraulics and shut off your controls until you reset the machine. So I would complain to John Deere because all they have to do is change their software so it widens the resistance loading that it's looking for on the solenoids. But I think they did this on purpose so that you have to use their attachments with the specified solenoid that's on there. If that's true, the only way to get around that if they don't change anything is we're gonna have to change out the solenoid. So all you do is take a measurement of that solenoid and you get a different solenoid that has about an 8 ohm resistance, because we don't have any problem with these Hydroforce solenoids, but we do have a problem with these ones. And so that's your quick tip for the day. Look for more quick tips and more information on machines and how they operate at skidsteergenius.com. So here's my standard coil. Okay, you'll find this in the graders and soil conditioners or whatever. There's the part number. Bobcat uses a lot of these. So if you use this one, it's usually fine. And I start the thing up. Start. Unlock. Auxiliary hydraulics. I have it wired into my aux 2 plus. So when I push this, you'll see nothing happens. There's no alarm. It's triggering the coil. Okay. This is the part number I'm using. Also Hydroforce. Same connection. Same switch. Here I go. Ready? As soon as I did that, I get a beep and my auxiliary hydraulics turn off. That's supposedly for safety. If I go through and I look at what my diagnostics are saying, go to trouble codes, my aux 2, that's this one right here, it's telling me that there's a short to ground, and that's not a short to ground, it's just lower resistance. There's the error, okay? And it wants me to do service on this. The only way you're gonna get around this is if enough people complain to John Deere and try and get this fixed so that they make the parameter a little bigger, but they probably won't because they want you buying their attachments. So the only other way is to, if you notice this, a lot of these they're pretty much the same size, and the hole size is the same and the height's the same. You can literally just buy different coils and plug them in, and they'll fit on the cartridges and they'll work, and then you won't have that issue.